Hello friends, welcome to Infigyan. In this video, we are going to solve one very interesting nested square root equation for the real values of x. So let's get started. We have x in left hand side and square root in right hand side. So from left hand side, x must be non-negative, but we have x in the denominator. So x will be only positive number for x to be real. If we are thinking about squaring both sides, let's check what will happen if we will square both sides. We'll cancel square root with square from RHS. We'll write x square equal to 2 plus 1 over the square root of 2 plus 1 over x. Now we will subtract 2 from both the sides and get x square minus 2 equal to 1 over the square root of 2 plus 1 over x. Now we have a square root in the denominator. We will square once again to remove or eliminate square root. So we will put whole square in LHS, whole square in RHS. We will get x square minus 2 whole square equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 over x, which will become x over 2x plus 1. Now we will cross multiply. We will be getting x square minus 2 whole square times 2x plus 1 equal to x. So we'll be having 1 degree 5 polynomial equation, and its roots won't be that easy. So we will cancel this method and we will follow one conventional method. Here we have square root 2 plus 1 over x. If I will replace this denominator by x, it is satisfying our original equation. I will write x equal to square root of 2 plus 1 over x. Now condition on x is x should be greater than 0. Now we'll be squaring both sides. So x square will become 2 plus 1 over x. Now x cannot be 0. So we'll multiply whole equation by x. So I will write here times x. LHS will become x square times x, x cube equal to 2 times x, 2x plus 1 over x times x, 1. We will write all the terms to one side. X cube minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now equation is cubic. We will use factorization method to find its roots. So I will write x cube minus 2x can be written as minus x minus x. Then we have minus 1 equal to 0. From first two terms, we can take x common. So there will be x square minus 1 in the bracket. From next two terms, we will take minus 1 common out. So in other bracket, we will get x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we will use difference of two squares formula over here. A square minus b square. It is a plus b times a minus b minus 1 times x plus 1. Now we have x plus 1 overall common. So we will get x plus 1 times x minus 1 minus 1. We will write here x plus 1. In other bracket, we will write x times x minus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Or we can write x plus 1 times x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we'll use product 0 rule. So we'll get two equations, either x plus 1 equal to 0 or x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So from first equation, x plus 1 equal to 0, we will subtract 1 from both the sides and we will cancel plus 1 minus 1 from LHS. Our x will become negative 1. As per condition on real numbers, our x should be greater than 0. So we are not going to accept negative 1 as real solution. Now we have one quadratic equation only, which we will solve using quadratic formula method. So if I will write equation over here, x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. A is coefficient of x square 1, B is coefficient of x negative 1 and C is constant negative 1. We will write here quadratic formula x equal to minus b plus minus a square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Let's apply all the values over here. We will get minus of minus 1 plus minus a square root of b square minus 1 square plus 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 1, and in denominator 2 times 1 is 2. So we will get 1 plus minus a square root of 1 plus 4 over 2. 1 plus 4 is 5. So we will write here 1 plus minus a square root of 5 over 2. So we have two values of x. Let me write separately x equal to 1 plus a square root 5 over 2, and with minus sign in between, 1 minus square root 5 over 2. Now we know that square root 5 is approximately 2.23. 1 minus 2.23, number will be negative. So we can cancel 1 minus square root 5 over 2. So the accepted x would be x equal to 1 plus square root 5 over 2. The only real solution for our equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.